Hi everyone, today we're going to make a really simple potato dish, fondant potatoes, but with a little twist. These are great to eat by themselves or as a side dish with just about anything. We're going to use russet potatoes for this, but you can use gold or sweet potatoes with it if you want. Cut them into pieces that are about 1 inch thick. You can peel them if you want, but I like to use a circle cutter to keep them as uniform as possible. Add the oil to the pan. It's going to seem like a lot, but we're going to drain most of it off later. Then add the potatoes, and we're going to cook these until they get nice and golden brown on one side. When the potatoes are golden brown, flip them over and then drain off most of the oil. We're going to add our butter to the pan and let it melt, and then we're going to season with kosher salt. Now for the twist on the dish, we're going to use this Herby mustard blend. It has lemon, garlic, sage, tarragon, dill, parsley, chive, black pepper. It has all these flavors in there, and it's going to go really well with the potatoes. We can add our seasoning into the butter, and then we're going to add in our chicken stock. If you want to keep it vegetarian, then you can use vegetable stock. To finish cooking the potatoes, you can cook it one of two ways. Put it in a 425 degree oven for about 30 minutes, or you can cook it on the stove on a low simmer for about 20 minutes. Your potatoes are done when a toothpick will go right into the center of the potato and there's no resistance. Then just baste the potatoes with some of the pan sauce. Don't forget to drizzle some of that buttery herb sauce on top of the potatoes. Here they are, fondant potatoes with the Herby mustard. You see how you cut right through with a spoon. Make sure you get a little bit of sauce on there. It's a nice tender potato, cooked in about 20 minutes. These are delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop me a comment and let me know what dishes you want to see made next. Stop by my website spoonspices.com to see what other blends we have. See you next time.